Is a foramen. This foramen is foramen. Already this foramen cecum already covered in frontal bone. This foramen is foramen cecum. This one is ethmoidal crest. By the side of the ethmoidal crest, this one is labyrinth of ethmoid bone. And here lies anterior ethmoidal foramen and posterior ethmoidal foramen. You cannot see anterior and posterior ethmoidal foramen. Okay, clear? Frontal crest, ethmoidal crest. This foramen is foramen cecum. By the side of the ethmoidal crest, here it is the cubiform plate. Sorry, it is a cubiform plate of ethmoid. So here lies the anterior ethmoidal foramen, posterior ethmoidal foramen. You cannot see. Clear? Anterior ethmoidal foramen, posterior ethmoidal foramen. Okay. This one is anterior cranial fossa. This portion is middle cranial fossa, and this portion is posterior cranial fossa. So this one is the laser wing of the sphenoid. This portion is anterior cranial fossa, laser wing, and this one is the petrous part of the temporal bone. This fossa is middle cranial fossa. Behind the petrous part, this portion is the posterior cranial fossa. So anterior cranial fossa, foramen is very low, very less. Foramen cecum and anterior and posterior ethmoidal foramen. Middle cranial fossa, lots of foramen. And this one is the posterior cranial fossa. You will get a few foramen. Clear? Posterior cranial fossa, you will get this large foramen magnum. Foramen magnum. Thereafter, this bone is occipital bone. This bone is occipital bone. These two eminence is these two swelling is the tuberculum juguli. These two is the tuberculum juguli. So this foramen is foramen magnum. This two elevation is tuberculum juguli. These two foramen is tuberculum juguli. So this is a landmark. This is a landmark. Okay. Here in a single line you will get 3 foramen. From above to downwards you will get 3 foramen. This one is tuberculum juguli. This is a landmark. You will get 3 foramen from above to downwards. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. This number one foramen is this one is internal acoustic meatus. Number 2 foramen already covered up in occipital bone. This one is jugular foramen. Number 3 foramen. This lies anterior to the condyle. So this foramen is anterior condylar foramen or hypoglossal canal. So you all can identify the foramen magnum. Thereafter, just infernal lateral, these two swelling is tuberculum juguli. These two foramen is tuberculum juguli. At the level of tuberculum juguli, from superior to inferior, you will get 3 foramen. One is in the petrous part of the temporal bone. This one is internal acoustic meatus.